This question is very useful to practice questions about power, energy supply, energy consumption. So here resistance is given, voltage is given, and we have to find the energy consumption by a bulb.
But how, sir?
For that energy, we have to find first a power, P equal to how much. So P formula is power formula, P equal to VI. With this power, like power into time, will get energy consumed. Okay. And then for kilojoule energy, we have to divide again by 1000. So that we'll do later. First, we need to find power and V into I. Now, is I given here anywhere? I not given. So how will find I? R is given. So V equal to IR. Therefore, R will go there. V by R equal to I. Now let's substitute this value into this, and we get P equal to V into V by R, that's V square by R. We'll use this formula to find the energy.
Oh.
Energy equal to P into T, like earlier, that T is, we don't have, so V square is 240 into 240, because V is 240, by R is 100, so 100 into 4 hours for a week, so into 4 and into 7. Now 1 hour is 60 minutes, so into 60, and again we have to divide this all with 1000, because in kilojoule we have to convert. So into 1 by 1000 you can do, or you can do this step later. It totally depends on you. Now I wrote this here to save our time, and because we can directly cancel these zeros here, that's I wrote directly, and these zeros we can cancel here, and we get 576, that's 24 square, into 28, that 4 7 into 36, and whole by 10, or into 1 by 10. You can also write down it like this, whole by 10, and when you calculate it, you will get 58,060.8 kilojoule. That's the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See the next condition. Kaveri connects another bulb that is similar to this in series. Keep in mind, in series with bulb A, and connects the combination in 240 volt supply. Will there be any change in the brightness with which bulb A glows? Change in brightness with bulb A. So only brightness of bulb A. Now how you will find brightness of bulb A? By finding out whether the bulb A is having enough power supply, more power supply, or less. If it has less power consumption or power supply, its brightness will decrease. So let's find that thing out. Now for in condition 2,
When connected with bulb B,
let's first find out R and then power. So R will be R equal to, in series what it will be, R of series equal to R1 plus R2, that will be 100 plus 100, that will be 200, and then everything will be similar thing. So again energy, power, so let's find out power. P equal to V square by R. So 240 into 240, that's the value of V square, by 200, again 0 0 cancel, and 24 square 576. So this time we'll get 576 by 2, and that will become 2 2 ja 4, and 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16. Okay, so we are getting total power 288 watt. in the complete connection. Now power has been substantially decreased, but this power, this is the total power. Now this power is divided into both the bulbs. So this is
This power in is divided in two bulbs. Therefore, power
in bulb A equal to 288 by 2. That's 144 watt. So that's it, done. Now you see, in first condition the bulb A is getting 576 watt, whereas in the second connection bulb A is getting only 144 watt. So the power has been substantially decreased, and that's why the brightness will also decrease. So P of A1, A1 means first condition, A1 is bigger than P of power of A2. Therefore A1 bulb A1 first condition will be brighter than bulb A2. That's it. Okay. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me.
By the way, friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at bestclasses.pandey. Till the next time, Bharat Mata ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the famous phrase of Pandey. Push past your limits.